Welcome to the tutorial video of GrabGuidance. GrabGuidance is a portal where we are connecting learner with expert on one-to-one virtual basis. In this video, I'll be sharing how a user can book multiple sessions. Go to the homepage of GrabGuidance, that is www.grabguidance.com. You will be landing on the homepage. Select your class. Click here. Suppose I'm selecting class 12th and I'm having a problem in account subjects, so I'll just type accounts and search. So you can book any of the expert or if you are having a problem in career guidance, so you can just go back, scroll down, you can get these many career guidance option. Suppose I am selecting course selection and you can book from these 101 experts. You can add filter also from here. Suppose I am selecting Dr. Himanshu Puri. Scroll down the page. In right side you will see book multiple options. Just click on that. Choose your time frame. You can select any time. Suppose I am selecting 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. I'm comfortable in that. Okay, so sir is available on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. So I can book according to my need. I am selecting Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Now choose duration. Just click on this. The day you wanted to start the session and end. So okay, now you'll be see total 5 sessions. Just click on this yellow color tab. Now log in your mobile number. If you have already registered as a user, just enter your mobile number, or if you are a new user, just click on sign up first and enter your details. Click on login. Enter your OTP code. Describe your query in this message box. After typing your query, just scroll down and click on confirm and pay. Click on this proceed button. Enter OTP which you have received on your mobile number. Click on verify. Now you can see your session is booked with Dr. Himanshu Puri. Click on go to sessions. You will be able to see your upcoming sessions in your profile. Now you can log out. Thank you for watching GrabGuidance tutorial video.